friends, I'm here with Cordell. Say hi, Cordell.
Hi.
All right, guys, this is our sink and flow activity. The material you need for this activity, you need a tub to place your water in, a tub of water. If you don't have a tub, the sink is perfectly fine. Don't worry, guys. And also, you need to gather 10 items that you can find around the house. So, Cordell and I chose, we have a safety pin, a spoon, we have a marker, a Q-tip, we have a plastic food toy, a waffle, a screwdriver, an orange, another toy, a bowl, and a ball. So for this activity, guys, you are just simply taking 2 of your items and placing it into the sink or to your tub to see if it's going to what? Sink or float. So parents, things that you can ask before you actually start the activity, you can ask your scholar if you think that the item is going to sink or if it is going to float. So Cordell, are you ready to get started?
Yes.
I'm a little excited for this activity. Okay, so which 2 items do you want to start with, Cordell?
The spoon.
The spoon and what else?
The orange.
And the orange. Okay, so before you get started, Cordell, do you think that the orange is going to float on the water or is it going to sink in the water?
Float.
You think it's going to float? Let's see. You were right. What about the spoon? Wait, do you think it's going to sink or float?
Sink.
Okay, let's see. Oh, you can't push it. The spoon is floating. Leave it there. Okay, so choose 2 more items. The waffle and what else?
My Power Ranger.
But wait, I want to ask if you think it's going to sink or float before you put it in there. Okay, you can leave it there. Leave it there. Okay, now let's grab 2 more items. What are you going to choose next? The safety pin? Okay, wait. Do you think it's going to sink or float?
Sink.
Okay, let's see.
It's sink.
It sank. Okay, the bowl is your second item. Sink or float?
Float.
Yep, the bowl is floating. Wait. What do you think? The screwdriver is going to sink or is it going to float?
Sink.
Let's see. You were right. All right. The Q-tip. What do you think it's going to do, Cordell? Sink or float?
Sink.
You can't stick your hand all the way in there. You're cheating. The Q-tip is what? What is it doing?
Swimming.
It's floating.
Floating.
Okay, next the marker. Let's see. The marker is floating. And then the ball. The ball is, what is the ball doing?
Float.
Most of our items are floating. Let's see which one sank. The safety pin and the screwdriver are the only items that sank. All the rest of our items are floating. I was really surprised about the orange because I thought that the orange would probably sink. What about you, Cordell? Did you think the orange was going to sink or float?
Sink.
Nope. You're cheating. You can't put your hand in there. Thanks for helping me, Cordell.
Bye.
Bye. Well, before we say bye, guys, this is actually a 2-part activity. So now that we see which items sank or float, you guys are going to make a T-chart like this one. So you guys are going to create a T-chart and you are going to draw which items sank and which items float. And you're going to upload this to your portfolios. Okay, guys?